Hello to everyone and welcome on the YouTube channel School for All. So this is tutorial number 5 concerning practical on HTML. Perfect. Now, so make sure you watch the previous video. So because in this video we are going to work on common HTML formatting tags, like how to put a text in bold, underline, italic, things like that. It's very easy and it's very intuitive. Like for the bold tag, you just write your text enclosed in the B tag. It's all good. So this for bold here. Now for italic is enclosed in I, and for underline is enclosed in U. It's all. Now just that beside each of them we have some, let me just say, synonym tags. Okay, for example, at the level of bold, either you use B like this or you use the tag strong. It's doing the same thing. Good. Now for italic, the same thing. Either you use italic or you use EM. This is it here. The same thing. So I'm showing all this so that in the exam, if you fall on EM, don't make as if it's new for you. No, it's the same as italic. Take note of that. Now for you, no, okay, you is not having any synonym. So let us practice this very fast. Okay, now you go back to the code. Now let us make welcome to be in bold. So you enclose welcome with B tag like this. Good. Don't forget that it's opening and closing tag. Good. Control S. Then you run your code. Perfect. Are you seeing how welcome is in bold? Good. And also please correct something. Welcome. How can you be writing welcome without E? Add the E please. It's not making sense. Okay. Welcome. Okay. Perfect. So we are done with the B tag. At least you know how to use the B tag. The next tag, let us use italic. Good. Now I can decide to use italic still on the welcome text by doing what? I'm done with B tag. Now move at the level before the B tag. You open another tag there. Italic. I like this. Good. Then you come and close it here. Good. I. Good. So please don't do this type of mistake where after maybe opening B tag you come and close by the italic tag. No, if you open B tag you close the B tag directly. Now here I'm opening italic tag and the B tag is inside the italic tag. That is why I'm closing my I tag after closing the B tag. Take note of that. Now you will see how the welcome will be in bold and italic at the same time. So Control S, then you refresh. Perfect. Are you seeing the style of the letters now? Good. The italic style. Take note of that. Now the next thing is, let us go back to the code. Now we are done with that. The next thing is underline. Okay, let me underline School for All. So just enclose that with the U tag like this. U. Here. You close the U. Perfect. Control S. You execute this. School for All. Underline. Nice, nice, nice. So take your time. Practice also with strong and EM. As I was telling you, strong is the same as bold and EM is the same as italic. Good. So this is your assignment. If you're not having the same, just leave a comment and I will handle it. Now the next thing is the next thing, we are done with basic HTML formatting. Okay, now the next title is HTML attributes. Very good. So generally attributes are being written in opening tags. Never forget that. And the aim of an HTML attribute is just to provide additional information to a tag. For example, if I go to, because these are some of the examples here. Good. There's one attribute we call href, and href generally is used with the tag A, with the A tag. And why are we using it with the A tag? Because the A tag is used for a link. It's used to create a link. Now generally if you create a link, it's because you are supposed to click and go somewhere. So to indicate where you are going to when you click on that link, that address, that destination address should be placed where? In the href. Good. So example, this is it here. So I can have href, and here the destination address is HTTP. As I was telling you, you give the full address of Google, then you close it. Good. So yeah, you have a tag go to Google. So when you execute this code, if you click here and it's going to redirect you. So in one of my videos we saw how to manipulate links. So yeah, there's no problem. Source, the attribute for image, you remember it very well. Good. And alt, I've explained alt also. So everything is still inside this note. Good. So now the next thing is there's another attribute I want us to study. Let me just go to the HTML code. Now at the level of the HTML code, let us say I want to change the background of my page. So you go at the level of body tag. Go. Remember that attributes are being added at the level of opening tag. So don't go at the level of closing tag of the body to write something there. No, the body opening tag, you write there. There's one attribute we call BG color. BG color. Good. Equals to double quote, you write your value. If you need a blue color, just write blue. Red, yellow. In fact, let me just take yellow. Yellow. Good. You close it. It's all Control S. Now if you go back to your page, you refresh the page, you see a yellow color. It's exactly that. Good. So please take note. Good. Now look at something. There's a tag we call font. Now let us say at the level of this P tag, I add another tag here called font. Like this. Now the font tag can take multiple attributes. So let me just show you one attribute, color. If right color equals to let us say red, good, you close it and you close your font tag. Don't forget, you close the opening of the font tag. Then this same font tag, you come and close it here. Let me copy this. You come and close it here at the end, like this, font. Perfect. So what happened here is the text found inside the font tag will change its color to red. Good. Please never forget this. Okay. Control S, then you refresh the page. Are you seeing how the text here is changing to red? So it's exactly that. Good. So don't forget the font tag. Let me go back to the code. Good. Font, don't forget that. And font also have multiple type of attributes. But generally at the level of the exam, questions are very, very easy. They will never ask you like to create something. No. Generally what happens is they will give you the code and ask you to recopy the code, correct some mistake, or maybe add some new things in the code. But everything that you'll be adding in the code, your inspiration is coming from the existing HTML code you're already having there. It's exactly that. So as I was telling you, make sure you answer all the different questions in your manual. So it's already available on the platform School for All. So you got a level of notes, so you know where to find it, and from there you'll be seeing the different type of exercises they ask in the exam. Perfect. So I think we are done with all this. Now let us meet in the next video. In the next video we are going to study how to draw tables in HTML. For example, if you have something like this is a table here, how to draw this type of thing in HTML. So in the next video we are going to discuss about that, because it's very, very important, especially for the ICT student. Good. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to like the tutorial.